guys, it's me, and today I will be making a video on my giveaway. Okay, it's a video from giveaway. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna spin it. Okay. And wondering what I look like? This is me. Yeah. Heck. Okay. So, to enter the giveaway, you've got to do the following things. You have got to, down below in the description, you need to comment your username, and get on Animal Jam and buddy me. Oh, happy. See? See? Oh, happy. Oh, and I finally used Screencast-O-Matic. Aren't you guys proud of me? Anyways, I'm just going to be giving away a few plushies. Plushies and other content items. Just comment down below your username and buddy me. And yeah. Bye. Okay, bye.